Hello friends, hope you are doing well. And for the month of April we are going to draw this gorgeous looking butterfly as if it's sitting on our paper. So I've taken that kind of an angle as reference to make it look very realistic, and the shadow here is going to really make a lot of difference. Now the angle of the wings that I just drew going upwards, that's the major point of the point which you're going to keep in mind. The angle is going upwards, the top part of the wing, and that angle is something which you really need to get right. And then you move ahead with the lower wings now. Here now I'm going to begin with the inner orange patterns which I see, trying to keep it as close to the reference as much as I can. The white dots on the edges is something which I'm going to give directly with the brush, so I'm not going to be drawing that.